Hello everyone, my name is Tyler, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the integumentary system, its structure, and its function. The integumentary system is the largest organ of the human body. It acts as a protective barrier to the external environment and controls body temperature. It is also a major sensory organ. Here's our lesson overview. First, we're going to talk about the epidermis, then we're going to talk about the dermis, and lastly, we're going to talk about the hypodermis. So let's now talk about the epidermis. So there are three layers of the integumentary system. There's the epidermis, the dermis, and the subcutaneous layer. So the epidermis is thin and avascular. It's made of stratified squamous cells and keratinocytes. And you can see here we have the epidermis labeled. Here are the layers of the epidermis. There's the stratum corneum, which contains corneocytes, which are dead, fully differentiated keratinocytes that